Here I have Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then go to its settings by tapping on the gear icon, and here you have swipe shutter button too. So let's select take a burst shot, and now to take a burst shot you just have to swipe shutter button like this. Okay, you have to swipe it like on the right, and as you can see now burst shot starts. So right now I took like 30 something photos or even 40, and here we can review them. Just like this, and here you can select the one that fits you best. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.